Hello, guys. Welcome back to the show. Just wanted to talk a little bit about some stocks that the investment club recently bought. Want to touch a little bit about the monthly meeting they had yesterday, guys, and all that information is on my Patreon, guys. So the link are in the description. If you want to take a look at the full meeting or any of those videos that you missed, but I just want to talk a little bit about Foot Locker. The investment club had recommend Foot Locker. Earlier on this week, they also bought some more shares of Foot Locker. So if you want to follow them on that trade, this is something that you could. A little bit concerned about Foot Locker. The reason we have seen Bad Bet and Beyond and other stores closed down recently, and I'm thinking most of these stores that does one thing, I don't know how good they will last, because we have stores like Foot Locker just doing shoes. I don't know much about that. So it's a stock I have not buy, but if it's a stock and you want to listen to Jim, you could do that. And he do recommend Foot Locker. They also have a great dividend too, like a 4% dividend, guys. So but if you're on my Patreon, guys, please go ahead and look at that full video of the monthly meeting that was happening yesterday. There was a lot of great information, and if you consider joining, guys, we have a 7-day free trial where you could check out the Patreon. After that, is only $5 per month. But anyway, guys, and doing that, you will also be supporting the channel and making a great investment in your career. If you want to invest in stock and you want to pick the right stock, you have to invest in yourself and get these right stock. We just can't be taking advice from anybody. And we know Jim is pretty good. That's why I always kind of share things that he does. So think about Foot Locker, guy, is a stock that I recommend. But what I'm gonna do right now is go through a list of stocks, guys, and let you know what I think. Because yesterday we had some great earnings. We had earnings from Microsoft, which I think is the winner of all the big tech earnings. Microsoft did very well. We saw a huge jump after Microsoft reported. We had report from Alphabet. They beat estimates, but still the stock did nothing. And then as I said, Foot Locker. So I said again, I'm gonna just pull Foot Locker down. As you can see, it's $41 per share. I think yesterday it was down to $40 a share. So we're still buying around the same mark that the investment club recently buy. But let us talk about another stock, guys. And the stock I want to talk to you about is Danaher, guys. I want to talk about Danaher because um, there is sometimes that everything that Jim shared, it is not gold. He has a lot of winners, but he also have a couple losers. And the good thing about him is that he do talk about his losers. And I think they sent out a note yesterday talking about Danaher. And even with the China reopening, Dana was higher. Let me just share the screen with Danaher so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. You can see this stuff. It is DHR. Yeah, guys, here we go. Let me just share this quickly. So Danaher is at 232. That stock was around 250 something. Even when China was reopening, the stock was a lot higher. Now we have this stock at 232. The stock has done nothing. And Jimmy is saying that they need to reevaluate what they think about Danaher, because the stock, as you can see, the stock has been dead. Danaher is a healthcare. They still have a lot of base in China, but the stock hasn't been doing very well, and it's a stock that Jim recommend. It is in the portfolio, and they keep saying the stock gonna do better. So I don't want to think everything is winners. There are some losers, and the good thing is they are very open to you about it, and they let you know what are the winners and what are the losers. But I cannot finish this today without talking about the stock that I want to talk about, guys. And the stock I want to talk about is the winner, and it is Microsoft. Let me go to the Microsoft right here. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so Microsoft, guys, was the winner yesterday. We see that stock had a very big jump yesterday, guys, after earning the is leading into the Chat GPT. And you can see Bing is doing better. Even the Bing search engine that was dead for years, it has been doing very, very well. So Microsoft has been the great stock. But as I said before, guys, if you want all the information from Jim Cramer and the Investment Club, you could check out my Patreon and you could get all that great information, guys. But this is just a recap as to what happened. The stock that they bought was Foot Locker 2 days ago. So once there is something substantial, I will come on here and let you know about it. But the stock they're recommending right now is Foot Locker, guys. We also see Humana reported, and they did. So stocks are up today and things are looking good. Anyway, guys, if you're enjoying what I'm doing here, please subscribe to the channel and please like the video, comment, and let me know what you think about the monthly meeting if you had a chance to watch it on Patreon. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.